Welcome
to another TSA company newsflash. Maybe your company made the same discovery as we did at Traktionssysteme, Austria. In most cases, it is not a big revolution that moves a company forward, but it's more the result of all the little things that will make the real difference. This is why we've chosen 3 topics in the field of ecology, or let's say sustainability. Let's take a look at these examples with the common headline, Biggest Bang for the Buck.
We are here at TSA's Air Compressor Center, where the compressed air for the production floor is provided. As an energy source, compressed air is simple and easy to handle. Still, it is rather costly due to its low energy conversion efficiency. This is why it's extremely important to keep the whole installation leak-free. TSA recently purchased a leak detector. This detector measures the ultrasonic range so we can check all of our pipes and tubes, even in a busy and noisy production environment. Noise, like here for instance, does not affect the detector. Prior to this, we had to come in on weekends or company holidays and rely upon listening carefully for the typical hiss of escaping air before finally fixing the leaks. Now we can check for leaks at any time. The detector displays a reading allowing us to get closer and closer until we finally locate the spot with perfect precision. Last year we were able to locate and fix around 60 leaks, which would have resulted in an electricity consumption of 180,000 kilowatt hours, about 3 to 4% of the electrical energy use per year.
We at TSA use numerous machines which need oil for both hydraulics and lubrication. All in all, an amount of 3,000 litres. Right behind me is our eccentric press, which holds about 400 litres of lubrication and 560 litres of hydraulic oil. We used to change the oils at regular intervals. This year we moved into condition-based maintenance, which means that maintenance measures are only undertaken at optimal times, when certain conditions occur. We take oil samples and have them analyzed externally. The results not only show the condition of the oil, but reveal many details about the machine, such as the level of wear and tear, percentage of additives and impurities, or the degree of oxidation. Just as important as getting information about the machine is the ecological aspect. With extended maintenance intervals, we consume and of course dispose of less oil. So we are saving on resources and thereby improving our ecological performance.
The system here is our Bupi cleaner, installed in 2012 due to the fact that we have to clean and degrease approximately 50,000 parts per year. It consists of a rotating mesh platform, a main wash tank holding 800 litres and 2 rinsing tanks of 400 litres each. Previously, we had to empty and clean the tanks every day before refilling and manually adding the dose of cleaning solution. At the start of the shift, we always had the correct dosage of cleaning fluid, but depending on the actual workload, or if, for example, the operator did not check, then the dosage could become unstable and affect the cleaning results and quality. By implementing some changes to the washing process and cleaning solution, and by installing an automatic dosage system, we achieved major improvements. Now the rinsing tanks only have to be changed twice a week, and the washing tank 4 times a year. The dosage system guarantees constant parameters for the cleaning fluid. The sensor reports the values to the regulator, which then on a drop-by-drop basis adds cleaning fluid. fluid to the tank. Thus, we save 65% of cleaning fluid and additives each year. This also means an 11% reduction in waste disposal, or approximately 11,000 euros. Finally, we can guarantee a consistent quality of cleaning and degreasing.
I hope that we proved there is no need to turn everything upside down in order to be successful. Let me just say, as an additional benefit, this is ecologically effective and cost efficient at the same time. And it is a clear plus for both the company and for those employed here. Thanks.